Welcome. In this video I will explain how to get the best camera settings for all three lenses of your Honor 600 Pro. So let's start by opening the camera and let's check some camera settings. To do that, tap the six dots in the top right corner of your camera, and as you can see here in the quick settings we can already change a lot. We can either enable or disable the flash or set it to auto. We can also adjust the ratio. We can enable or disable the watermark. What's important, we can enable the grid lines and level, which are important if you want to capture a photo with good geometry. And for more advanced settings, let's go to settings by tapping the gear icon. Here I recommend disabling efficient video format if you want to have the better video quality. And also, if you don't really want to adjust all the pro settings of your camera manually, simply enable AI camera, which will detect everything for you and basically will help you take the best picture possible. Now, if you are taking a photo in the selfie mode, you can adjust all the selfie settings right here. So at least all the filters. For example, we can have the bokeh filter, and we also have all the beauty filters, and we have a lot of them in this menu. There are two kinds of them, either natural or classic, and they are all fully adjustable. Now, if you want to record or to take a photo with wide lens, using your wide lens, you simply have to pinch and get 0.6 lens. If you want to use your macro camera, you have to navigate to more modes and select super macro. This way you will only use your macro camera. And if you want to take photos with the main camera with 200 megapixel camera, all you have to do is switch to more, select high res, and in high resolution mode take a photo, keep your device steady, wait until the photo is taken, and now you'll be able to check the resolution of your photo by tapping the info icon in the top right corner of the screen. And here we can see that we cannot directly see that this is a 200 megapixel photo, but if we multiply the pixels, so 12,288 by 6,384, we'll get something like 201 million pixels, which of course is translated to pretty much 201 megapixel. Now, if you want to have more adjustment, go to Pro mode, and here you'll be able to adjust the ISO levels, shutter, autofocus settings, and also the lighting settings manually. Besides, we also have some additional settings. So if you want to record a multi-video on both cameras at the same time, slow motion video, panorama, time-lapse video, underwater video, stage night video, or just scan a document, you can find the respective modes in more category. And that's pretty much everything you should know about how your camera works. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.